There's some serious competition for all-terrain fat bikes around the $1,500 price range. The HJM Toury is definitely a bike you'll want to check out, and is currently being sold for $1,599. Now, most of these 750 watt motorbikes are loud and bulky, especially with wide and thick off-road tires. The Toury, on the other hand, is not. It's incredibly quiet, and everything about the bike feels and looks expensive. So let me show you how it compares to the other brands, starting off with the speed test. This is the speed test. I have 80% battery life. There's 5 pedal assist levels. I'm gonna start on level 1 and show you how fast it can go on each level. Got my speed app open. Nice flat road. Here we go. For pedal assist 1, I got 14 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2, 16. Pedal assist 3, 19. Pedal assist 4, 22. And pedal assist 5, 26 miles per hour, which is one above the rating of 25. 26 miles per hour makes this the 3rd fastest bike in this price range. The Toury comes with a 750 watt brushless motor, powered by a 48 volt, 14 amp hour lithium battery that can be removed, has a battery level readout, a USB port, takes 3 to 7 hours for recharge, and is rated up to 800 charge cycles. The bike weighs 72 pounds, tying for the lightest bike in this range, and can carry a rider up to 310. I did an acceleration test between pedal assist 5 and straight throttle. Now the get up and go is pretty much the same between the two, and is average for a bike in this category, taking just over 18 seconds to top out. Okay, this is the range test. I've got a full battery, pedal assist level 5. My tracking app is open. Start workouts. Here we go. While on the range test, let me tell you everything I liked and didn't like about the bike, starting off with the design. I haven't always liked these step-through bikes, but with this double down section, it actually makes the bike look pretty cool. And I like the red and white lettering on the black frame. Each bike is designed to fit a rider above 5'2". I'm 5'11" and felt comfortable on the bike. In fact, it was one of my favorites to ride. I didn't have to bend over as much as I usually do with other brands, and the handlebars can be adjusted higher or lower with an Allen wrench. I had them set in the middle. Now, HJM has 2 models to choose from, the Torrey and Torrey Step Through, and it only comes in black. The rear deck is pre-installed and one of the bigger decks I've seen. The way it handles is just different, and it makes it funner to ride. It kind of hugs the trail. You can really corner this nice and fast. If there was like a next level solid and stable feel, this would be it. The Toury comes with 720mm Pro Max aluminum handlebars, Velo Comfort rubber grips, a half twist throttle, very nice feeling Tetro brake levers which cut the motor off when pressed, and a comfortable Velo soft saddle. There's nothing on the handlebars that feels cheap. The throttle feels nice, the grips feel nice, the brake levers feel nice. It's hard for me to believe that this is a $1,500 bike. The price keeps on going down, yet the quality goes up. The Toury has 26 by 4 inch Kenda CST fat tires. Now HJM says these are designed for wet conditions and can reduce hydroplaning. They're also puncture resistant and are the quietest tires for a fat bike I've tried. First thing I noticed when I hopped on and hit a small hill is how quiet this is. There is zero noise, and usually with these big old fat tires, you get a lot of noise from them, but these tires are actually very quiet. There's skinny bike tires that are louder than these ones. This is the quietest bike I've ever tested. The pedal assist is one of the better ones for a bike in this price range. When I'm going flat out and I stop pedaling, it's about a half a second before the power kicks off. And then when I start to pedal on gear 7, it's about 1.5 revolutions before the power kicks back on. The throttle setup's a little bit different than I'm used to. It matches the pedal assist level when you're pedaling. If you stop pedaling, let's say on pedal assist level 3, and only use the throttle, then it gives you full power and it'll take you to 25, 26 miles per hour. But as soon as you start to pedal, it actually cuts power until it hits the top speed for that pedal assist level. The Toury comes with a 7-speed Shimano shifter that cycles through the gears fast and smooth. I decided to gear down and find an off-road trail to test out the RST Rover aluminum hydraulic front fork suspension that has 80mm of travel. It's actually doing better than I thought it was going to. This is a rougher trail than I was expecting, and it's not that bad. If I do this again, I'm going to definitely take off a kickstand. That is rattling and is the noisiest part of the bike. For being so heavy and just such a big frame bike, it handled that trail pretty good. Now I would be careful on what type of terrain you take this on. I'd recommend a nice gravel or dirt road without a lot of rocks. It can handle some pretty good bumps, but I think you'd be sore and annoyed after a while.
Once the battery died, my app recorded 21.71 miles. That is about half of what the bike is rated for at 45 miles, which is standard for most bikes I review when the bike is maxed out. I think 45 miles is possible, but you would have to lower the assist level down to 2 or 3. Elevation gain was about average. I typically get around 1,000 feet. This trip I got 946. There was a good mix of hills and flats. I couldn't find a hill rating, but I did find a good sized hill, one that I've used before.
This is the hill test. This is my favorite hill in the area. It's about 20% grade, 2 blocks long. I've got a full battery, my speed app is open, so let's see how fast I can make it up it. Now starting to climb here, going 9 miles an hour. I am in the lowest gear, down to 8. Back up to 9, down to 8. So I've got some pretty good resistance. This is the steepest part here. Now coming over the top, 9, 10, and pretty much there. 8 miles an hour is pretty good for that hill. Most bikes are around there, about 8 to 10 miles per hour. It was slow, but I felt like it had plenty of power and could probably go even a few degrees steeper.
The bike has Tektro 180mm hydraulic brakes.
Okay, for you guys that have been watching my channel for a while, you know I like to test the brakes on the same hill that I come out for the hill test. So here I am, top of the hill. I'm gonna wait till I hit about 23, 24 miles per hour before I hit the brakes, and I'm gonna try to stop at the steepest part of the hill. Gotta get out of the way. Too many cars on this road. Yeah, that's got very good braking power. I mean, you got hydraulic brakes, so it's super smooth, no squeaking, and very powerful. And this is the steepest part of this hill, so very nice brakes.
Next, I'll run you through the LCD screen and pad.
The I button is the power button. Hold that down for a couple seconds, turns on the screen, and that displays battery life, speed, trip odometer and total odometer, and the pedal assist level. Of course, you got the plus and the minus here to change the pedal assist level. If you hit that I button, that's gonna change some of the readouts here, like the max speed, average speed, time, and odometer. Down below, it's kind of hard to see, that is the walk assist button. To access the advanced settings, hold down the plus and minus for about 3 seconds. Here you can reset the trip odometer, toggle the units between imperial and metric, change the screen brightness. For the advanced settings, the main ones you want to worry about is the speed limit. I do have it set to the highest speed, 25 miles per hour. You can change the throttle speed and set that to a default of 6 kilometers per hour. The last one that I like is setting the bike from a slow to a fast start. Over here by the pad, there is a switch for your left and right blinkers, which is kind of cool. And then there's also a hazard switch. To turn on the lights, hold down the plus button. And it is a pretty bright light, and it's nice looking too. It's one of the brighter lights I've seen on a bike.
The HJM Torrey bike comes with an IPX4 rating, which means it can withstand splashing from any angle, a 2-year warranty, 30-day free trial, and free shipping in the lower 48. Overall, if you're around my weight of 185 pounds and ride the bike hard, here's what you can expect. A top speed of 26 miles per hour for both pedal assist 5 and straight throttle, making it one of the fastest bikes in this category. An average acceleration taking 18 seconds to top out. The range is above average for this price with over 21 miles and 946 feet of elevation gain. Hill climbing ability is great, tackling a 20% grade at 8 miles per hour, and the hydraulic brakes are smooth and powerful, no complaints there. Now, I thought the bike held up pretty well for the competition. They're a quality bike company. I've got the link in the description if you want more info. Also, be sure to check out my website if you want to compare other brands in the same price range. Hit that like button before you go, and be sure to subscribe for the latest in electric bike, board, and scooter reviews. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.